center cap off. You can use a pry bar, you can use a rag so you don't scratch anything. Just get under here, pop it off. I'm going to take these lug nuts off, use a 19mm socket, and take the wheel off. So I'm going to remove this nut right here. I'm going to use a 15mm socket, and to prevent the stud from spinning, I'm going to use a 17mm wrench. Take that off. All right, now we're going to take the lower nut off. The stud's probably going to spin, but I'm going to try just taking it off first. I'm going to use the 15mm socket. And yeah, the stud's spinning. All right, so I'll use a 15mm ratchet wrench and a 7mm socket just to hold the stud from spinning, and loosen up the nut. And take the nut off, and you can slide the link right out. You can take this cover off the old one, take the new link and slide it through the cover, just like that. And slide it back through the sway bar, back through the knuckle, and put the nuts on. Then I'm going to take a 17mm ratchet wrench and the 7mm socket to hold the stud from spinning and tighten it up. Snug that up. I'm going to snug the other one up before I torque both of them. Do the same. And now I'll torque these nuts to 41 foot-pounds. Alright, put the wheel back on. And put the lug nuts on. Now I'm going to torque these lug nuts to 110 foot-pounds, and I'm going to do it in a star pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. And just go around again, double check. Take the center cap, line it up, and tap it on.